guppy.
A guppy? I'm as brave as you are. I'm not afraid of anything.
What about sharks? Where? Oh, Flounder, you really are a guppy.
I am not.
Aww. You'll never guess what I found today. Look. Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
Wow, cool. What is it?
I don't know, but I bet Scuttle will. Come on, I'll race you.
Hey, wait for me.
You'll never guess what I found today.
More human stuff, eh? Let me see.
Can you tell us what it's for?
Oh, wow, this is special. This is very, very unusual.
What is it?
It's a dingle hopper.
A dingle hopper.
All these papers are fantabulous, absolutely indispensary. When it comes to dingle hoppers, I'm a regular encyclopedia. Say that you want to have an egg like the folks who live up there who gotta flap their wings. Well, you look absolutely dandy if you use one of these handy little thingamajigs. Pick up a dingle hopper just like so. You're on the way on twirling now. Give a little kick, and there you go. Don't they call the dogs? Meow. Wonderful stuff. That's human stuff. Can't get enough of human stuff. Us what? Because we're great at estimating human stuff. What's that? A snowflake. Wow. When they get to start watching just by chance, suddenly life was a lot easier. What do I say you? Just folks dance. Give it a whirl and then voila! Wonderful stuff.